severe thunderstorm warning for Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, northern Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Hoyles Parish in central Louisiana, northwestern St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, eastern Hilton Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Oakdale to 6 miles east of Oberlin, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eunice, Oakdale, Ville Platte, Church Point, Mamou, Beville, Oberlin, Elizabeth, Turkey Creek, Morrow, Pine Prairie, Chautauqua, Loretta, Bayou Chico, Prairie Ronde, Indian Lake, Savoy, Dural, Alton Parish Airport, and Lawtell. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for north central